Coffee production is down, and Mythical Inturi doesn't need to do much to increase production. Coffee production went down because farmers were getting nothing. There is no way you can continue putting inputs, putting labor into something, and you get nothing. The Honorable Moses Kuria, like myself, we are all products of this subsector. We went to school with the coffee proceeds. In the late 70s when we were young boys, and the early 80s when we were in high school. When you were admitted to a high school, the headmaster would interview your parent to ascertain whether you will be a problem in terms of paying school fees or not. And the headmaster would ask one question: do you have coffee? Once you said yes, you would be admitted to the school without any further question. Because a membership number of a cooperative society was much more credible than a banker's check today. Because coffee had returns, and it is working, it was working. We saw it work. We went to school through coffee proceeds, and today we are here. If it worked then, it must work now. And that is why we are here. Good people. History will judge you kindly. If from this conference you come up with practical and pragmatic suggestions on what we need to do to restore the coffee subsector and put money in the pocket of the coffee farmer. Honorable Moses Kuria and Chelugui, once you do what you must do, market our coffee at good prices, and the farmers get a commensurate return, production will be increased automatically without any further effort. That is the truth. The whole of this equation, the whole of all this trouble in the coffee subsector will be resolved by marketing and getting the right prices and removing the middlemen between the farmer and the consumer. Once that is done, as a country we are sorted. Coffee used to be #1 foreign exchange earner for this country. Today I think we are poor fifth. Once we get the prices right, once we remove the middlemen, which we must remove, once the farmer is empowered in a commensurate